guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. So another goods landed via sea shipping. Yeah, you know how we do it on this channel. Whenever any goods arrives, I always want to show you guys. You know, I teach importation and I also need to show you people that I also import. We are supposed to practice what we preach, right? So that's why whenever my goods arrives Nigeria, I always come back to this channel to show you everything so that you can see the quality, and also you can patronize me if you want to order. So guys, these are non-stick pot sets. Yes, very beautiful non-stick pot set and very big, as you can see, very big. So let us move on to the biggest package. So guys, continue watching. I know you are going to enjoy watching this video. A lot of goodies are inside this package, like very lovely products. Anyway, they are not for me though, they are for customers. I ordered them for customers. I just decided to, like, okay, let me still show them to you guys in case you might want to also order some of the products, and you should see that there is nothing you cannot buy from China. Like I usually say, you just saw some trays, beautiful trays, and in here is cutlery set, golden cutlery set. So guys, keep watching and enjoy watching this video. And as you are watching, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also give it a thumbs up. I mean, for you to like it and share this video with people. And also don't forget to have me in your mind, like keep me in your mind. If you want to learn more about importation, you want one-on-one training, send me a DM on Instagram, or you want me to help you procure any product at all from China, I am here for you. Just send me a DM. So these are the golden cutlery set. Very beautiful. So guys, I decided to remove all the handbags from the cartons so that they don't overcharge my customer for way bill to make it bigger if I pack it together with all these cartons. So that's why I removed everything to avoid overcharges. So this particular handbag entered my eye. Like, man, I did oju kokoro for it, and I'm getting it. I decided to pay her for the bag. Yeah. So this one is a patent leather bag. It's very beautiful and it is two in one. It also comes with a smaller purse inside. So, guys, I hope you are enjoying this video so far. This customer got a lot of beautiful handbags. Check this one out. The color is giving. Yeah. So if you are interested in starting a handbag business, just send me a DM. I'll help you to source high quality handbags like these ones, and also teach you how to sell them off within 1 week, and you're going to make lots of profits. So guys, keep watching, keep watching. I said I should come closer so that you can see the quality of the bag. For those of you that usually doubt China product quality, I hope you can see this one. How do you see it? Good quality or not? Okay, let us move on to the next product. These are beautiful slippers. Very lovely. Check out the quality, guys. Isn't this beautiful? That's the back of the slippers. I hope you are loving all these products, right? If you are, drop it in the comment section. So right now I am packing everything, like arranging all the bags inside this carton, so to make it more handy and easier to wheel it to my customer. So guys, I sometimes I wonder how Chinese people package you know their products, because you can imagine this. Look at what I am doing. I'm trying my best to package it well, and it can never be like the way they do it. They package everything from China. So here I am cutting off a part of the carton because it's too big, so that I can repackage it very well. So that's what I'm trying to do now. You know, one thing I realized that the sellotape is also made in China. I said, is there anything that is not made in China in this country that we consume every time? Even sellotape is made in China. May God help Nigeria, and help us with good government so that we can start manufacturing and producing, well, at least some of these things like this sellotape. Let us be producing it in this country by ourselves. So yeah, I'm repackaging it, making sure it is well sellotaped, well wrapped to avoid any damages, you know. So moving on to the other customers' goods, want to arrange all those ones as well. I brought out the carton from the previous sea shipping goods that arrived last month. So I brought out the carton so that I can arrange our own inside. So I realized that the pot carton is a little bit broken under, so I had to sellotape it very well to avoid any damages, because goods cannot come all the way from China via sea shipping, spent about almost 3 months in on the sea, and it will now come and have issues here in Nigeria. No, I won't allow that. That's why I am making sure I package it very, very well. So that's what I'm doing right now, arranging everything inside to make sure it is okay. So guys, I hope you are enjoying this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also drop your comments and share this video with other people so that they can see good quality products that arrive from China via sea shipping. So guys, I hope you are enjoying this video. It is time to package this carton very well. I also cut it, you know. Now NEPA did their normal thing, they interrupted the light, but that didn't stop me from continuing what I am doing. So I continued packaging, wrapping with sellotape, and sellotape got finished. I had to quickly go out to get another sellotape. This is it. I bought a bigger sellotape, And here I am pasting the name of the customer with phone number, everything on the package. Yeah. Yeah, finally done and dusted. The goods are ready to be delivered to Abuja and Benin. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.